The Health Ministry and government officials are exploring solutions to encourage more of the populace to get vaccinated against COVID-19. While the SLP administration says it will not mandate vaccines, the government intends to embark on a comprehensive education drive in the hopes of getting more people to take the jab. The Health Ministry met with officials from various sectors to discuss ways to resume services now that vaccines are available.
One of the things that we've agreed to do is to ensure that there's consultation and discussion so that we can hear the views of all of the various stakeholders of our present situation. The fact that we have vaccines, we wanted to get a feel of what's the position and to open up the discussion to various sectors of the society in how we manage, because the debate continues. There are some business places who want to ensure that there is a safe environment for employees, and we want to be very careful that we don't negatively influence anybody.
Pathologist Dr. Stephen King expressed the need to have more dialogue on the ongoing health threat.
The more we educate, the more we engage, in fact, the more we become educated, because I don't have all the information and knowledge. I learned in that consultation, speaking to people, right? For instance, I'll give you a classic example. We talk about people being anti-vaxxers, but if you look at all the, as somebody made the point, if you look at all the unvaccinated people, they're not all anti-vaxxers. Many of the unvaccinated are people that just have concerns, and all they need is some information, somebody to take the time to listen to their concerns and assure them or give them the evidence that they can be so assured that the vaccine is safer than COVID.
Members of the legal fraternity were present at the national consultation, including officials from the Caribbean Court of Justice.
We also took in mind that the legal considerations also had to be looked at as well. So we, apart from the medical personnel who were there, I presented, as well as Dr. Stephen King and our immunization manager, Nurse Tekla Jean-Baptiste. We also had the legal minds, Professor Rosemary Bell-Antoine, who's the Dean of the University of the West Indies, and also Sir Charles Michael Dennis Barron, the former President of the Caribbean Court of Justice, to give the legal aspects of the legal considerations in relation to the consultation.
Dr. King stressed the importance of inclusion of all groups of society in discussions in the fight against COVID-19.
What I would love to see is an all-out national strategy with all stakeholders on board, all communities on board, house to house. I would like to see a massive national campaign which engages every St. Lucian, because this is a war against a virus, and the soldiers in this war is each and every St. Lucian. And so for them to fight this battle, they need to be fully informed and need to have full access to all the tools that they require to fight the enemy, the virus. And that's what I would like to see. So I would like to, one, share with them what those tools are, because one of the first sets of tools is the knowledge and the information. The next set is the masks, the vaccines, and so on. So you know the actual resources that are needed. And that is what I would like to see in every community across the island.
Other stakeholders present at the National Vaccine Consultation included the trade unions, the Chamber of Commerce, tourism sector representatives, religious and community leaders, members of the media, the Labour Department, and NEMO. Gina Filippi, HCS News Force.